So we're taking a look at a Casio. This is the SA46. It's really similar to the SA47. There's just a couple of different tone differences, but essentially they're the same setup. They're 9.5 volt, but they also can take a bunch of 6 AA batteries, and that's what I run it with. You have a line out, a standard line out, so you can record from it or amplify it real easily. There's a whole bunch of the Casio keyboards that are the same format, so if you're familiar with one of the larger ones, then they're essentially the same brain up here and the same chips inside. We turn it on. You've got 10 songs that it'll play. You've got different patterns and up to 100 tones. It's a nice size keyboard. It's not as lo-fi as some of the 80s stuff, but it isn't sampled actual instruments, so it does give you a kind of a lo-fi sound. So if we go into the song bank and let's play number 9, get that going, then you can get into your tones up here and get up into those high ones, and you get a kind of a laser over here. So you can really have some fun with this thing. I should also mention, you've also got some drum pads here. It doesn't have a heck of a lot of features, so it's actually a lot easier to play, a lot easier to deal with than some of the very elaborate keyboards that are out there. I'd say it's pretty decent for a beginner. It's good if you're a content creator and you're looking to create some of your own sounds, or if you just want to have some fun on the road, because it is a travel size, I'd say. Fairly durable, kind of a cool green color. They make them in some other colors. Some of the other models are different colors. But again, it's a great travel size, great student size. Hope this helps.